We know what it's gonna be a challenging afternoon for us. We know that this UE team are always gonna give their best every time we play against them. But I have to really give credit to these guys for really being in control of their emotions, especially when UE was starting to get close, and they were talking amongst themselves what they'll do, just to make sure that we're not gonna have the same experience as how we had in the first time we beat UE. But again, credit to that team. Yes, they're always gonna come out competitive.
Thank you to Luis. He has 16 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal, 1 block, and plus 19. So yan another solid outing again. So ano man sabi mo na, do you think ito, unti-unti ka nang umangat yung laro mo, or alam mo may lalabas ka pa lalo't malapit tayong matapos sa elimination?
To be honest, every game wala akong personal agenda. Every game, same mindset lang ako, same mentality lang. Is yun nga, to contribute to the team, and yun nga, to fulfill my role to this team. So, ayun nga, sinasabi sa akin ni Coach Lopez is, yun nga, huwag ko hanapin yung laro ko. Which is yun nga, palagi siyang tama, kasi every time, yun na, nakikinig lang ako sa kanya, palaging tama talaga yun. Yun yung nangyayari. So, yun lang yung mindset ko every game is, ayun nga, to follow our system and to trust Coach Lopez always.
Thank you. Last to Mike, he had 14 points, 12 rebounds, 2 steals, 2 assists, 1 block, and plus 17. So after a 2-3 start, the Green Archers have won 4 straight. So the outlook is good. So what can you say?
Yes, we're just really trying to continue this momentum. We really need this, especially for our big game coming up against NU. We really needed to really lock in. We really consider this almost as playoffs already. So we're trying to play playoff basketball and really take every game, serious. Especially me and Bright, since it's a really onti na lang yung laro namin sa team. So talagang nag-enjoy talaga kami sa bawat game, and so with that enjoyment is really just having that respect for every team and really just playing our hardest. Lalo na sa yung UE, napaka-delikado yung team na yun kasi I always say their record doesn't reflect how hard those guys play, and of course we can't help but root for them as well. So they played a good game as well.